Is it time to buy or sell HSBC Holdings PLC stock? In this video, we will explore HSBC Holdings PLC in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of the 14th of November, 2024, our system has categorized HSBC Holdings PLC as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a growth of approximately 26.54% since we initially suggested purchasing HSBC Holdings PLC 63 days ago. This results in an average return of about 0.42% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the recent developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could potentially go in either direction. The stock has broken through the narrow and strong upward trend observed in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. In the event of any pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling established by the current trend, set at $54.38. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on potential gains. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 18.24% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging between 9.59% and 13.03%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of 27.17% over the next year, with potential returns spanning from 4.37% to 21.77%. This indicates a price range between $59.36 and $69.26 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for HSBC Holdings PLC includes the headline, Evaluation of HSBC Holdings PLC stock downgraded after the last trading session. The HSBC Holdings PLC stock price increased by 3.25% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, rising from $55.09 to $56.88. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 0.555%, reaching a low of $56.76 and a high of $57.08. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.88% over the past 2 weeks. There was an increase in volume on the last day, accompanying the rise in price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with 3 million shares bought and sold for approximately $162.44 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $57.08, while the lowest price was $36.93. Currently, the price is 0.34%, or 19.5 cents, below the 52-week high of $57.08, which is also the all-time high for the stock. HSBC Holdings PLC has recently made headlines by announcing a share buyback of $2 billion after reporting a 6.5% increase in annual pre-tax profit, despite a slight decline in revenue. This buyback represents a strategic initiative by the new CEO, George El-Hedary, aimed at streamlining operations and enhancing cost efficiency. This plan includes efforts to reduce costs by $1.8 billion by the end of 2026. The restructuring has also led to a 3% reduction in the workforce and a flat bonus pool for staff, indicating a strong emphasis on cost discipline in a competitive landscape. In a broader context, HSBC's divestment strategies, including the sale of its retail banking operations in Bahrain and a reduction in dealmakers in Hong Kong, highlight its commitment to streamline operations and focus on core markets. These measures may foster short-term positive sentiment among investors, as evidenced by the recent increase in stock price, which is currently in a strong bull market. However, while immediate effects could elevate share prices due to the buyback announcement and profit gains, The long-term performance of the stock will rely on the success of these restructuring efforts and their ability to translate into sustained revenue growth and profitability. Overall, HSBC's recent developments indicate a proactive strategy to navigate market challenges, with the potential to enhance shareholder value both in the near future and over the long term. Analyst ratings. On the 3rd of February, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned HSBC a sector perform rating with a hold recommendation. On the 29th of October, 2024, CFR reported giving HSBC a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. On the same day, the 29th of October, 2024, Morgan Stanley also rated HSBC as equal weight with a hold recommendation. On the 23rd of October, 2024, Deutsche Bank assigned HSBC a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Earlier on the 31st of July, 2024, Morgan Stanley once again rated HSBC as equal weight with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned HSBC Holdings plc stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts again give the stock a sell rating. The following signals have been identified for HSBC Holdings plc. The stock of HSBC Holdings plc presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is situated above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $54.83 and $51.45. A breach below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was activated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, with the stock rising by 10.88% thus far. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has been indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is deemed a positive technical signal. On Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, the stock experienced a golden star signal in the long-term chart. This golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a distinctive combination. Such occurrences are quite rare and are often followed by substantial and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 63 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 108 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 108 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for HSBC Holdings plc. HSBC Holdings plc finds support from accumulated volume at $55.19. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 31.5 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 0.55%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated daily average volatility of 0.91%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for HSBC Holdings plc, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A comparatively low PE ratio might indicate limited expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 19th of February, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of $1.41. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HSBC Holdings plc. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, HSBC Holdings plc encounters its first support level at $55.19. If this support level holds, it could represent a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $54.96, reflecting a decrease of 3.38%. This stock demonstrates medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The relative strength index over the last 14 days stands at 81, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is HSBC Holdings plc stock a good buy? HSBC Holdings plc presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is better considered as a hold candidate, meaning one should either hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of February, we anticipate HSBC Holdings plc to open at a price of 0.25 of a dollar higher, starting at $56.91. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.